Welcome to the Living Healthy with COPD YouTube channel. Subscribe to get daily videos. Also hit the notification bell, and if you like the video, hit the like button. We make videos all about what it is like to live with COPD. The topics range from supplements, diet, exercise, spirituality, medications, and overall healthy lifestyle. Enjoy.
What is nicotine gum? Nicotine gum is a handy aid to help you quit smoking. It works by replacing some of the nicotine your body used to get from tobacco. Using nicotine gum can reduce unpleasant withdrawal symptoms such as cravings, anxiety, and irritation, making it easier to stick to your goal and help you quit for good. Nicotine gum such as Nicorette is specially formulated so that nicotine is gradually absorbed into your body as you chew it. How does nicotine gum work? Giving up smoking can be hard as your body has become dependent on the nicotine in tobacco. When you stop smoking, you'll typically experience some side effects, including anxiety, difficulty concentrating, and weight gain. Nicotine gum affects the body by replacing some of the nicotine found in cigarettes. It reduces the unpleasant side effects and helps you stay strong when cravings strike. Nicotine gum aims to gradually reduce your dependence on nicotine by slowly cutting down the amount of nicotine you chew in the gum over several weeks. When used appropriately, chewing gum can reduce your nicotine dependency and help you quit smoking. What are the benefits of nicotine gum? Nicotine gum can double your chances of success when used as directed. It is most effective when used alongside a behavioral support program so that you're supported physically and emotionally throughout your quit journey. It's a portable method of nicotine replacement. You can use nicotine gum whenever and wherever you need to. For example, at trigger moments when you typically reach for a cigarette, such as when driving or on a night out with friends, you can chew on some nicotine gum instead. You can control your nicotine intake, providing a steady dose of nicotine all day to help you manage your cravings and keep up your quit. Enjoy the relief gum provides in keeping your mouth busy rather than smoking a cigarette. The option to keep strong or frequent cravings under control by chewing an extra piece of gum within the hour. Nicotine gum is FDA approved to help you quit smoking. Research shows that using FDA-approved cessation medicines such as gum can help you double your chances of quitting successfully.